Because my sister-in-law, Anna, and I were stranded in Tacloban, we met this amazing band. Don't you agree with me that this band is just amazing? They are all Yolanda survivors themselves. Part of this crazy bunch. Yes, it is crazy, we are all crazy, and you are all crazy for being here. I'd like to thank each and every one of you here tonight. You may be wondering, what are you doing here? I am asking myself the same question. What am I doing here? And to tell you the truth, I don't know what I'm doing. I just know who I am following. Crazy, right? Well, very crazy. My sisters and I were really never known to be not crazy, especially my two ates over there on the other side. So that's why the crazy bunch. I've never built homes before, never organized a community before, never created livelihood programs before, nor have I relocated families before. We're not even from Tacloban. But when you hear that call, that especially when it's no longer a tiny whispering voice, but an extremely loud call, there's no answer to give but yes. And that is why you are all here tonight, because you all gave your yeses. It is no coincidence that we are here in Green Sun Building. It was here where a Lugaw fundraising dinner for the Pope, which was organized by attorney Elena Lim, I believe is here in the audience. 14 months are still living in tent-like structures, like this seawall. Here you see an area they call the seawall. It's called the seawall because they live by the sea. But there is no wall. Guess who is the wall? Thus, the birth of our campaign, Buy a Table, Build a Home. Every proceeds of every table here tonight builds one home. And the more homes we build, the more people we can help. So we are appealing to you. If you'd like to donate more, we're still accepting checks, and you can just leave it out with a registration or any of us.
That Pope Francis told us to dream. And so this is it. This is our dream project. And our dream for it is to be a healing village, a joyful haven, like a peaceful community where the survivors can move on and heal from all the pain and loss and brokenness in a brand new, beautiful home. Who wouldn't want that for anyone? But we can't do it alone. This crazy bunch needs all of you. So thank you for saying yes. And thank you because tonight is just the beginning of the journey. And we still need you to be with us every step of the way. Beyond the money, this village should be built with healing love. Thank you again.
Jesus is already there, waiting for us in Tacloban, and waiting for all of you as well.